The main thing I focused on this part is getting our data that I have currently in there stored into our database. We are using Parse as our database, which is a online storage system that removes the need for a database administrator and actually creation of the tables. It sorts all of that for us and then brings that data into Java classes that we've created, just like you're using a regular Java storage class. As we can see here, I've gone ahead and manipulated the guest view to go ahead and use the parse object. Guest list item now extends parse object for this to work, and I no longer have to make this information inside of guest list activity. It can all be handled inside of the recycle view adapter, which is then pulled down when the recycle view adapter is created. Once that data arrives, since it does do it in the background, so it doesn't tie up the process and the app can keep working, we then fill that data and notify that the data set has been updated, so it will go ahead and fill the card view in the onBind view holder method. And we'll go ahead and we'll see an example of that now. And now we're going to show you how our data inside of our guest list is carrying on through the clouds that are being deleted each time. Go into our guest list. We're going to add a person. Add Bob. And we're going to submit that. We can see Bob is there, so we're going to close the application. Enter back into the application. We're going to log in. And we're going to go ahead and go to our guest list. And we see that Bob is still there. The second thing I've worked on is I created an assignments program activity for the master wedding list. So this allows you to take a task on the master wedding list and then assign people from the guest list to it so that you can have them help you with that activity. From here we go and we have the master list recycle view adapter. Once there is that's where the activity is for the button click when you want to click on that. So you click on that and then it moves to the master list assignment activity, just has the onCreate method, and that uses the master list assignment adapter twice because it has two list views on it, just like in a shopping cart. So you can click on one item or another and things can go back and forth with the assignments. It also uses the utility function that I've created, set list view height based on children. This goes in and measures how many people we have inside of that list view and adjusts the list view's height accordingly. All you have to do is send it the view and it will take care of it for you. And let's go ahead and see an example of this. And here we're going to look at how our assignments are working for our tasks. So we go into tasks, and we have our first item here. So we're going to go ahead and assign some people to that. We can look in here, and we have Derek, Hannah, and Bob. So we're going to go ahead and just click on Bob, and that assigns him to it. Or we could remove him if we wanted. Both of these are two list views, and we can go ahead and shuffle back and forth between them as we want. And that's what I've been able to accomplish for this sprint. Thank you.